it going, everybody? It's Wednesday, May 27th. These are the stocks that you need to know in under 5 minutes. The winners, the losers, and of course, the stocks we follow. Let's get to it. Big winners on the day. Hertz. Are they bankrupt? Yeah. Are they going to be doing something with their money? Are they getting a bump off of nothing? They're a microcap now. They're 186 They went up, but they're only $1 share. Stay away from Hertz in every form. Ascena Retail Group. Okay, so there was an overwhelming waft of retail hitting the big gainers list today. Macy's, Gap, Summer Infant. Avis is actually a survivor, I think, in here, different than Hertz. Avis has not gone bankrupt. Um, Triumph Group, Francesca's Holdings, they're all retail, not so fast on the malls, in my opinion. I think I was jumping the gun way too quick. I don't know if we end up going back to the malls in droves. I don't think that's happening. The movie theaters in the malls, the whole thing smells fishy to me. So even though these things went up, Nordstrom here, the only things that I liked on the big gainers was, oh, look at Taste. I've talked about TAST. That's a Burger King chain restaurants. They're up 13.6% today. I called that one a while ago, even though that date is tomorrow. They actually, I've been talking about them for weeks. So anyway, those are the big gainers. A lot of retail in here. I think it's going to be short-lived with the retail. Let's talk about the losers. A lot of biotech up here. Moderna again hitting the big loser, down to 52 already. You better know your vaccine. Make sure your vaccine's working already. These clinical, preclinical, these things come out too fast. They're getting hurt. Unicom, watch out for insurance. Insurance has not been decided how they're going to be dealing with reimbursing for the virus and all the life insurance from people who are dying. Trouble. Anything else of interesting? Beyond Meat down here, people think we're getting back to normal. Maybe we're not having a meat shortage. I don't know. How's this working? The story is not finally told here on Beyond Meat. They're going to keep going up and down in both directions because the meat is a longer term problem when you really think about it, and sustainable food. So let's talk about the stocks in order of purchase price, max purchase price, meaning I think the stock's going to go up to this in the reasonably near future, like months, by the end of the year. I think it's going to be at least there. So what's the price now? Is it a good deal? Well, Walmart went down today. They're becoming a better and better deal. I think what's happening there is that people are assuming that, this will populate here in a second, that, oh, well, we're opening up. They're going to have more choices in retail. So Walmart sales are going to suffer. Well, Walmart Walmart still has everything and is still located and defines a city across the United States. And like I said, I don't think the malls are going to really be overflowed in droves. And when you're already at Walmart for something else, you're going to pick up some things and maybe not make that trip to Nordstrom. So they're becoming more and more of a deal. Tesla slightly up. They're going to be $1,000 a share by the end of the year. I want to say guarantee it. You shouldn't say things like that, but they're on fire. And for an electric battery company to be on fire, that's a good type of fire for them. Microsoft up a little bit. Still, I think they're going to get to about 200. Twitter taking a beating from the president today. They will be fine. He needs them just as much as they need him. Um, whatever, they're down a little. They're not down their lows of the day. They're already starting to come back. They're still a great buy. Google Alphabet is up slightly. They're probably going to get to 1,500 shares. They keep going. I think YouTube revenue is going to be up from what I've seen with ads on YouTube. Carriage services, this thing has had a crazy day. This is funeral care type things, burial stuff like that. They were down below 18, above 19. They were all over the place today. They do have decent financials, and I unfortunately think more people are going to need this service. Families going to need that service, so that's why they had a decent day here. Coherus Bioscience, that they make a lot of pharmaceutical products that I'm aware of. They have been making 100 million a quarter in revenue for the last year, 15 months. They are undervalued. They're going to pop back up. They're doing well. So yeah, up almost 13% today. I agree with that. AT&T, which has really been undervalued for a month or so because they are one of the two main telecoms between them and Verizon. They have so much. So they're creeping back up. They're up 3% today. I think they get to like 33, 35. They have the potential to do it. 20 seconds left. Merck up a little. No news about Pepsid yet. Still waiting. And Schrodinger from the last 10 seconds. This is a artificial intelligence, Bill Gates thing, creating molecules with AI and a bunch of stuff. It's a software thing. It's really cool. So we're out for now.